Hello and welcome to the primetime news of headlinesindia.com on August 23rd, 2008. And I am Shekhar with some major news of the day. But first, the headlines. First round of talk between government's delegation and Sangharsh Samiti ends cordially. CPIM raised its voice against the Malabar naval exercise. Trinamool Congress to launch indefinite seats for Singur from tomorrow. And President Pratibha Patil and PM Manmohan Singh greets nation on Janmashtami. Now the news in detail. The meeting between the four-member panels constituted by the J&K Governor N.N. Vohra and Sangharsh Samiti ended with a positive response, with both the sides terming the talk cordial and constructive. The meeting lasted for over 2.5 hours, where both the sides exchanged notes and tried to find a solution to the ongoing crisis in the state. Governor's advisor Sudhir Singh Bloleria, who led the four-member government committee, informed the media that the committee and Samiti exchanged constructive views with each other and will meet again to find a solution of the issue. However, no time frame was announced for the next round of talk. The Communist Party of India Marxist today raised its voice against Operation Vajra Pahar, which is a joint Indo-US military exercise to counter terrorism. The Red Party said the joint military exercises would seek American nuclear weapon ships joining the exercise on the western coast. The CPIM also added that such military exercises are part of the growing military collaboration with the US, which is resorting to aggressive military operation in Afghanistan, Iraq and now targeting Iran. The party further has threatened to organize large-scale protest against the Malabar exercise, which is the fifth exercise under the Indo-US agreement. Operation Vajra Pahar started in Mizoram in the first week of August, and its next round will take place in the month of October. It is time for a short break, but we'll be back in a moment. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The Trinamool Congress-led Krishi Jami Jeevan Jeevika Raksh Committee has decided to continue its agitation against the Tata factory at Singur and will make effort to strengthen it further. Party leader Partho Chattopadhyay said that the Trinamool Congress is sticking to its plan for an indefinite siege of the Tata Motors small car project site at Singur. Chattopadhyay said his party is in favor of peaceful agitation, but if something goes out of gear, it will be state government's responsibility. The convener of the committee, Becharam Mano, also claimed that Samajwadi Party leader Amar Singh, social activist Medha Patkar and Kuldeep Nair are also joining the agitation. President Pratibha Patil, Vice President Hamid Ansari and Prime Minister Manmohan Singh have greeted the nation on the occasion of Janmashtami, which will be celebrated on Sunday. Pratibha Patil said the life and teaching of Lord Krishna have a universal message, and on this auspicious day, the people should strengthen their commitment to remain united in seeking to build a society based on respect for diversity. Vice President Hamid Ansari also greeted the nation and said the life and teaching of Lord Krishna are the beacon of light to humanity in times of moral decay, conflict and strife. Well, that's all for now, but for more news and updates, keep logging on to our website headlinesindia.com. Goodbye and take care.